Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to talk about the MCQs from hospital and clinical pharmacy. We are on part 2 now on computer applications in hospital pharmacy. In part 2, we are going to cover few of the MCQs from computer applications regarding hospital pharmacy, wherein we are going to talk about the informative talk on various databases also which are available and which are formulated by whom and various other aspects. Okay, so to start with question 1 from part 2, the question is, what is the meaning of MAR? MAR, whether it is medication administration record, whether it is medication administration results, whether it is medical admission record or medication administration reports. Which amongst the given is correct regarding MAR? All of you can put your answers in the comment box, and you can put it like this way: the question 12, answer C, 12C, 12B and so on. Okay, in this manner you can quickly answer and you can save your time. So now MAR, this stands for medical administration record, wherein, as the word suggests, medication administration, that is the drug administration, wherein these are the prescribed medicines over here and the dose and the dates, like here the weekly administration, the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, okay, wherein this medication is administered by this. So this is nothing but medication administration record. That means the medication which is administered to the patient, that record is nothing but medication administration record, that is MAR. Next question is, what is the meaning of DUR? Whether it is drug use review, drug usage record, drug unit rate or drug unit rate. Now these options are same. This is a typographical error. Drug unit rate, drug unit rate. Okay. Now if you will talk about the DUR, it is drug utilization reviews. Okay. Wherein it is DUE, that is drug utilization evaluation, or MUE, that is medication utilization evaluation, can also be referred. Okay, so the correct answer is, it is drug use review, that is utilization of the drug. Okay, so drug use review. Next question is question 14. What is included in purchasing and inventory control? Purchasing and inventory control में इसमें से क्या आता है? Whether it is evaluation of patient, evaluation of reports, calculation of inventory and maintenance of pharmacy, which amongst the given is the correct for purchasing and inventory control? The correct answer, you can put your answer in the comment box and then later you can verify the answer. The correct answer is, if you will talk about, it is calculation of inventory, because purchasing and inventory deals only with the inventory. It has nothing to do with the patient evaluation, reports of that evaluation or maintenance of that pharmacy. It is just about the calculation of inventory in hospital pharmacy. Next question is, which online databases are available? Whether the online databases available are Medline, Medlars, Micromedex or all of these. You can put your answer in the comment box fast. Till that we will go for the explanation. Now if you will talk about the various databases, now Medline, which is given by the National Library of Medicine, okay, then Micromedex, which is again a drug information database, online database, and medical literature databases, that is Medlar, which is medical literature analysis and retrieval system, which is the collection of 40 computerized databases which is maintained by NLM, that is National Library of Medicine, and it is freely accessible via internet. Okay. So the correct answer is, it is all of these. The online databases available are Medline, Medlar, Micromedex, etc. Next question is, what are the computer applications in retail pharmacy? Whether the computer applications in retail pharmacy include clerical applications, managerial, professional, or all of these. Retail pharmacy में computer applications. So it is just about the billing, then drug information, order entry system, drug and patient database. Okay, drug ka consumption and record, patient history, everything is there. Okay, so it is clerical as well as managerial as well as professional. So computer applications in retail pharmacy includes all the above. Next question is, in which function patient profile is prepared? Whether professional function, clerical function, managerial function, or personal function, the patient profile is prepared in which of the function given below? If you will see the patient profile, it talks about the age of that person, sex of that person, okay, the frequency of the appointment, then health group, which health group it is there, okay, whether children, teenager, adult, etc. Then what are the allergies, what are the disease states are there. All this is included in the professional profile. Okay, professional function patient profile is prepared. Next question is, in which function prescription labels are prepared? Whether clerical function, professional function, managerial function, or meritorial functions, which amongst the given is correct for the prescription labels? Okay, the correct answer, if you will talk about, it is clerical function. Prescription labels are prepared by clerical staff. Okay, this is local pharmacy, wherein it includes all the details, the name, okay, or the date for the prescription, then the directions, the medication, its dosage form is also there, okay, quantity kitna hai, all these things are there. Okay, डॉक्टर फिजिशियन के डिटेल्स होते हैं. सो दिस इज़ नथिंग बट क्लerical function. Okay, next question is, in managerial report what is included? Whether in managerial report preparation of daily sales report is there, preparation of prescription label is there, building a patient profile is there, or none of these? The correct answer is, it is daily sales report. Okay, daily sales report preparation is there in the managerial report. Next question is, the database produced by NLM, that is National Library of Medicine, is dash. Whether the database produced by NLM is Medline, Biosys, MDB, or Medlar, which amongst the given is correct for the database produced by National Library of Medicines? Come on all of you, you can put your answers in the comment box fast. Till that we will go for the correct answer. So it is National Library of Medicine, that is Medline. Okay, it is the database which is produced by National Library of Medicine, Medline, which is having around 3000 biomedical journals dating back to 1966. Next question is, the database produced by Bioscience in Formation Services is dash. Whether it is Medline, Biosys, okay, or MDB or Medlar, which amongst the given is correct? Bioscience Information Service. Biosys previews. Okay, the Biosys is the correct answer, which is the database produced by Bioscience Information Service, which are having biological abstracts. Next question is, the database produced by American Society of Hospital Services is, that is American Society of Hospital Pharmacists produces which database? Whether it is Medline, whether it is Biosys, whether it is MDB or International Pharmaceutical Abstracts. Which amongst the given is correct for the database produced by American Society of Hospital Services? The correct answer is it is IPA Abstracts, that is International Pharmaceutical Abstracts. With this, we finish with few of the MCQs from Computer Applications Part 2, wherein you can stay tuned for the further parts from the subject Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy. Thank you.